Bungalow that Raphael has had for over 30 years down here in Santa Cruz, and we just thought we'd show you the remodeling we have decided to do. As you can see, our remodeling is extensive. Look at all of this. My next door neighbors were surprised when they started hearing all these sound like terrorist bomb threats and stuff. There's James. Hi, James. He doesn't see me. I'm scared to death to walk here. I think the house is going to fall down on top of us. We're going to load 2 dumps today. Anyway, this picture is for my nephew Ricky, who always used to like to see big machines operate. Here they are picking up all the crap that broke out of the house. There's Brandon working the crane device, and James, I guess, who's watching to make sure he puts it in the truck safely. Incredible, huh? Is it all that stuff that looks like hair or yarn? That's the carpet that used to be in the house. So here's our street in Santa Cruz, and here's our house, and here you can see Raphael tripping over stuff right next to this big giant crane that was tearing it apart. And here's actually about less than half of the debris. They moved a lot this morning. And then here's our friend Stacy's car that was perilously near it all this time.